Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Sharon.
Hi, Sharon. It's great to be here. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
A little hungry, actually.
Hungry already? Let's learn English at the restaurant today.
Let's go practice English in a real restaurant.
Good idea. Let's go.
Here we are. A nice place to practice English while enjoying lunch.
I love this. Let's see what we can order politely.
Hello. Table for two? Yes, please.
Thank you.
When you enter a restaurant, you can say, "Table for two, please."
It's polite and clear. Always works well.
I'll try the grilled salmon.
I'll have a medium pepperoni pizza, please. Excellent choices. Would you like drinks?
If you're unsure what to order, ask, "Could you recommend something?"
Or say, "I'm allergic to." Always polite and helpful.
Here you go. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Thank you.
A simple question like, "How was your day?" works well at the table.
And responding, "It was great, thank you," keeps conversation flowing.
The pizza is cooked perfectly. You can say, "This is delicious."
Or, I really enjoy this flavor. It's simple and polite.
Excuse me, could we get some extra napkins, please? Of course.
You can ask, "How's your day going?" at any meal to start a conversation.
Finishing your meal politely is important. You can say, "That was excellent, thank you."
It's a nice way to show appreciation.
Excuse me, could we have the check, please? Of course.
Thank you for the excellent service.
We really enjoyed our meal. That was a lovely lunch.
Yes, let's do it again soon.
Practicing English in real-life situations makes it fun and easy.
Exactly. You'll learn so much naturally.
Remember, practicing English in real-life situations is fun and easy. If you liked today's podcast on learning how to speak English in a restaurant setting, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting podcasts. See you next time on Speak English Daily.
See you next time.